So we're at one of the nicer boulevards in Sweden. See that Geländewagen in scope. Anyway, and we have a great winter car, a Brabus G850, and he does even have studded tires. It's a wide star and looks absolutely mean. Red brake calipers, and we have the full LED kit. Yeah, I wanted to show you that. And I mean, check this out, it's even studded tires. And you have the LED lights here. Gorgeous. I want this. And this is a nice street. You can even have your little what to say, little trädgård. Your small lawn you could have.